Today we are going to do activity number 3. This is how you'll be writing on the rule sheet, students. Activity number 3, commutative property of addition and multiplication. Below that we'll be writing objective, the materials required and the observations. Now for materials, the things which I'll be requiring are the color pencils. I'm using brown and red. You can use any two color pencils. I need a scissor, glue stick, and a ruler, of course. And I wanted a marker also, since I have written with the marker, but you can write with the blue pen. Now what we have to do, students, first of all, I'll take a graph paper just like this. I'm taking a half graph sheet and I have to make a rectangle. Can you see a rectangle? Just make a rectangle of 7 squares. Okay, there are 2 rectangles, but I am coloring 4 squares as red and I am coloring 3 squares as brown, in brown color. Again below I have made one more rectangle in which I am coloring 3 squares as brown and 4 squares as red. Now what I have to do, students, I have to cut these both rectangles and I have to cut each part of it. When I cut them, I'll get some figures like this. You see, I'm just getting a smaller rectangles, red, brown. Again I have 2 more because there was one more rectangle, so I'm getting brown and red. So just keep it aside. What I'll be doing is I'll be pasting, so I'll just use my glue stick and I'll just put it here like this. I will be putting my red rectangle like this, and with that I'm going to paste my brown rectangle. Okay, and on that I'm going to write that this is 4 and this is 3. In between I'm going to put an addition sign and that gives me equal to 7. This is arrangement 1, students, so that is why I'll name it as arrangement 1. In the other case I'm going to write this arrangement 2. In that I will be pasting first 3 squares. So again I'll put my glue stick and here I'll be putting these 3 squares first, followed by a rectangle which consists of 4 squares. Now you might have understood, students, what I want to show. So on the top I'll be writing this is 3, this is plus 4, that again gives me 7, which means that my addition is commutative. In whatever way I am just pasting it, still I am getting the same answer. So on the top, students, you will be writing addition. Okay, I am writing the property for addition, and below that, since I'll be doing it for multiplication, so I'll write that also. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now I have shown you this previously, so I had cut out this part. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make one more rectangle which consists of 6 squares. You see, if I count them, student, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but I'm doing it vertically, so I'm coloring it in red. The other arrangement I'm taking, again I have 6 squares, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but now I'm taking it horizontally. So this means I'll be having 3 into 2 and this means I'll be having 2 into 3. What I'm going to do, I'm again going to cut these 2 figures. So when I cut it, students, I'll just keep it aside since I have already cut it. So I'm going to cut it like this and I'll be having 2 squares. One will be vertical. So again, now I'm going to paste both of them. I've just cut it, so I'm just pasting it in the vertical manner. Okay, and the other one I'll be pasting it just below this one, and I'll just, yeah, this is how I'm pasting it. And for this I'll be writing with my marker that this is again arrangement 1 and this is arrangement 2, because for multiplication I'm again using 2 arrangements. Here I'll be having, since I have 3, okay, on this side 3 squares, so I'll write 3 into 2, that gives me 6, students, and here I'll be writing 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. So we have seen that we have used 2 properties, that is commutative property of the addition. You can just decorate in whatever manner, students, you want, but I wanted to explain in this manner only. So this is what we have done. So we have completed the activity, we have done the pasting, we did the cutting part also, and now we'll be focusing on the writing part. So for that I'm going to show you the slide and you'll copy it from that. Thank you.